ভাই আপনি কোত্থেকে এসেছেন, কেন এসেছেন?
আমি আসছি মহাখালী থেকে। মহাখালী থেকে এসেছি। আমি এখানে আগে আমার বোন এখানে চিকিৎসা নিছে।
Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, you can see here we are standing in front of Adin Hospital. A miserable and pathetic situation prevails here. Today, different patients have come from different places to seek treatment at affordable cost, but they are frustrated, they are not getting any treatment here. Now you can see some patients have come here. I'll talk to them. ভাই আপনি কোত্থেকে এসেছেন, কেন এসেছেন?
আমি আসছি মহাখালী থেকে। মহাখালী থেকে আসছি। আমি এখানে আগে আমার বোন এখানে চিকিৎসা নিছে। তো ওনার তো সিরিয়াস পরিস্থিতি ছিল আর কি। এখানে যে আমি যদি অন্য কোনো হসপিটালে যেতাম এখানে থেকে, এখানে না এসে আমার মিনিমাম 50,000 টাকার মতো খরচ হতো। আর এখানে এসে আমার 15 থেকে 16,000 টাকা খরচ হয়েছে মাত্র।
Dear viewers, this patient says that he comes with his sister here. He has come and he says that if I go to other hospital, I'll require 50,000 taka more. But if I take treatment from this hospital as earlier I have taken treatment from this hospital, and the price will be half at this hospital. For that reason I have come to this hospital for affordable cost and quality treatment, but it's a great frustration for him. He is lamenting that it is a matter of great frustration for him. He is not getting any treatment here, and he is asking of the government to give permission to this hospital to render treatment at affordable cost. আপনার নাম কি? রওশন আরা। আপনি এখানে কেন এসেছেন, কোথেকে এসেছেন বলেন? কিসের ট্রিটমেন্ট নেবেন এই হাসপাতালে কেন? Dear viewers, another woman is telling he has come from Meghna, far along from Meghna. She has come here. She has come here with her sister. She tells that for seeking treatment in heart, and she tells that here the treatment is very qualityful treatment and at affordable cost. But she is not getting any treatment here. She is very frustrated, and she is also asking the permission of government so that the government be lenient and give permission to render treatment in this hospital at affordable cost for the people. আর সেখানে কি আপনার অ্যাম্বুলেন্স সার্ভিস আছে? কত টাকা লাগে? ফ্রি সার্ভিস। The staff of this Adin Hospital says that the ambulance service is still going on. An ambulance service from Moghbazar to Julain, it is free of cost. And to elsewhere in Dhaka, in any place in Dhaka, they take only 380 taka. Only 380 taka they take for service charge, and the ambulances are available here. Adin Hospital, they have kept continued their ambulance service all over the city free of cost. Thank you very much. Abdul Khalik Khondokar, The Muslim Times, Dhaka.